Tip number 4 for marketing and managing a plaintiff's personal injury law firm. This one takes me back to October of 2013. I was invited to an elite mastermind in Arizona of different internet marketing companies from across the world. They were from Australia, the United Kingdom, South Africa, the United States, everywhere. And it was about 30 small business owners who, over the next 2.5 days, met with the executive leaders of Infusionsoft. And we discussed over those next 2.5 days the struggles that each business owner was having, the problems, how they could be solved. And every owner had their own vantage point and ideas for solving different issues. And it was mind blowing. And I came back from that trip and I told my wife, I was full of excitement. And I said, I can't believe all of these great ideas I had. It was an experience that I'd never had before. And my wife said, how much did it cost? And I was like, well, it doesn't matter. It was just the 3 best days of my professional career. I eventually told her it cost $10,000. And she was like, I can't believe that. We could have gone on vacation for that amount of money. But I realized at that time that that was the secret sauce that I had been missing up to that point in my career, was leveraging the knowledge and wisdom of higher achieving business owners, learning from them, tapping into their wisdom, learning from their mistakes so that we wouldn't have to repeat the same mistakes. So I started looking at lawyer masterminds, and I realized that there were a bunch of masterminds out there, but I didn't like any of them. Most of them, the attorneys were charging huge fees, $25,000 a year, other things, and it was the same members every single time. So we created a mastermind that was in 2015 called Mastermind Experience, where we'd invite a small elite group of attorneys, very small, and we meet to challenge each other, to corroborate, brainstorm, and try to find solutions to all of the problems that we all face, including the biggest and most successful law firms in the country face the same problems right now that you're facing. Client employees stealing from you, things of that nature. I mean, all of this stuff, you're not alone. And that's the beauty of a mastermind. You realize perhaps for the first time that you're not alone. You're not just facing all of these problems. And when all the other lawyers in your community say everything's great, or couldn't be better, it's all BS, because they face the same problems that you are facing right now. So believe me, the sleepless nights, all this other stuff that you face right now, I face it. Every lawyer will face it. And in a confidential setting of a mastermind, you can openly share all of the problems, the concerns that you have. And it is absolutely an amazing thing. The mastermind experience we've been doing since the fall of 2015, it is without question the best thing that I've ever done in my career, and I will do it till the day I die. So if you are interested in a mastermind, you can create one in your community. Find the highest achieving lawyers in your community, ask them to get together. It could be monthly, quarterly, you name it, but set aside a certain time every 3 months where you're going to meet. You're going to spend at least a day with them discussing the biggest problems. It could be in marketing or managing your law firm that you have. We bring in guest speakers to our masterminds to present on different issues like law firm culture, internet marketing, purpose, values, and mission, all that stuff. And it is absolutely incredible. If I had one tip to give to the younger version of me, it would be to join an elite mastermind, leverage the knowledge and wisdom of higher achieving attorneys and learn from them, build relationships with them. And that's the beauty of it, the relationships of a mastermind, because the mastermind itself is great, but it's what happens after the day of the mastermind that's truly special and unique. Because after the day of the mastermind, you can pick up the phone, call any of the members, and they'll do anything to help you. They'll collaborate on a private Facebook group. It's just an incredible thing, really is. And I'm so humbled and honored to be part of the mastermind experience. So if you want to join a mastermind, you can do it on your own, or you're welcome to check out our mastermind. It's mastermindexperience.com. Check it out, or give me a call. Let me know if you have questions about it. 518-265-9131. I'm happy to take your call. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you comment, I'm going to respond. I really appreciate that. Like it, share it. It would mean an awful lot to us. So this is tip number 4. And I'm going to have 25 of our best tips for marketing and managing a plaintiff's personal injury law firm. So stay tuned. Take care.